Hey everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a quick update on the channel. There's going to be a few changes going forward, and I want to talk about those. And before we begin, I want to thank each and every one of you who subscribed to the channel. I recently crossed 10,000 subscribers, so it was such an emotional moment, and I want to thank each and every one of you. It means a lot. So a few months ago, I released this Ichimoku toolkit on ichimoku.lol domain, and it got me thinking. I release a lot of tools. I build a lot of tools on this channel. So I thought, why not host all of those on a hub and make it accessible through a website? So I purchased this domain DekayHub.com, and this is where I'll be hosting the new tools that I built and some of the previous tools that I've already built. So I already moved the Ichimoku toolkit over here. If you hover over this card, you have this dive in button, and when you click it, it takes you to the Ichimoku toolkit site. So I modified the homepage a little bit. Here you have a description of what this does. And if you scroll down, you have some more information. You have access to the playlist to know about this toolkit and some other information about myself. And if you hit let's go, you can provide your email and login. And then you enter the passcode. That's it. It takes you to the site. Again, everything else on the toolkit remains the same. The only difference is the site will now be accessible at ichimoku.dekayhub.com. So this is how it's going to be going forward. So DekayHub is going to be the main site, and Ichimoku toolkit will be hosted at ichimoku.dekayhub.com, and any other toolkit will be a subdomain of the dekayhub.com. So that's how I'm structuring this. The previous domain, ichimoku.lol, is still active, but when you open that, it takes you to this URL. So yeah, you can access it with that domain or ichimoku.dekayhub.com. So it still works. And you can, if you want to log out, you can just hit log out. So everything else remains the same. The only difference is I moved it over to this domain. Okay. I released the Ichimoku toolkit about 4 months ago, and I got about 60 registrations so far. But the comment section has been pretty dormant, and I hardly received like 16 or 17 likes for these videos. So I'm assuming that not many people are interested in this. So I won't be making any further updates to this toolkit, but the toolkit will still be available for you to use from DekayHub. So I will let it run. You can still access it, but I won't be making any, adding any features to this toolkit. I have some other ideas that I want to work on. I'll announce them in the future videos. But for now, the main reason I'm making this video is to tell you that DekayHub is where I will be hosting all the projects going forward. I want to talk a little bit about monetization, and I want to be transparent about how much the channel makes. And as you can see, I make around $30 per month through ad revenue on this channel, which I think you would agree doesn't suffice the time and effort I spend in making the videos. It's not just recording and editing. I also have to write the code, and there's a lot of stuff that I have to do behind the camera to be able to make these videos. So in order to make it economically viable, I will be launching the tools with a free and a paid tier so that I generate some revenue through those tools. And that should give me some incentive to continue making these videos. The Ichimoku toolkit will be free. You can continue using it. Any other tools that I would add in the future, I will consider adding a paid tier with some extra features so that it generates some revenue to support the time that I spend making the videos and building the tools. I'm hoping you agree with this decision, and I'm really looking forward to launching more tools. I have a few ideas that I'm really excited to work on, and I can't wait to build those and share them with you very soon. I will announce very soon about the new project that I'm going to host on DekayHub, so stay tuned. As always, leave your feedback or any suggestions in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye for now.